That light on.
Home.
Really?
And then.
What's the name of the barn?
Olivia's barn.
No, I named sections of this
Get out of the way a
with
little
Jordan.
bit.
you gotta
Right,
attach it
about
different way?
time. I'm not gonna be the only one who says this though. I'm not gonna say
I'm saying it
that.
too.
Grandpa, would you do?
All right, put the bike away before somebody gets hurt
Olivia, put the bike away now.
or
Sit
trips.
down though.
There's no room, honey. There's no room down there.
We're
For
trying
here
to do
down
something
here.
for Grandpa.
There's no room down here.
I'd like to
Liv.
do this forever, so.
No, not really. I actually forgot. Now I don't want to do it. Okay, to be honest with you.
Are you allowed to
No,
lick
it'll
it
be
now?
cool once you have it.
Huh? You don't want to lick the outside of that. You don't know where that's been. We're also having cake maybe.
Cake?
Take your nose.
What?
You gotta take your nose off.
So,
We couldn't. I have to. I'm trying to get. No. Okay.
Well,
yeah, they're all on. All right.
I got them, but I'm bringing them upstairs so she can't do that.
Watch your head.
Let me just check this switch.
Is it recording, Mom?
See red. When you see red,
Mm-hmm.
it takes a curve.
Yep.
When
Okay.
it's green,
Green,
it goes
go
straight.
straight.
All right. I wouldn't run it too fast
I'm not.
because you want to get a good.
Isn't so pretty?
Mhm.
But I want the other one down in the other room. It's taking up the whole playroom. Now he's
You
got
can
this.
turn that light off.
You're gonna lose storage then. You can put this on YouTube for you. So we'll stop it right here so we can take it off, and then we can put it on